Ito, may Why?
Cody, come help me.
Uy,
Whoa, May! May, they're alive! What is going on here?
Worry about that later. Let's just bring them back.
Kunin mo daw yan.
okay.
May?
Dalakas mo.
Hey, my body
Oh.
feels weird.
Because you're made of clay. Keep your eyes on the fuses.
Yun yung isa. Nasa
Don't
taas.
you feel
Ayun,
weird? I mean,
Nasa
made
taas,
of
diba?
wood?
A bit stiff,
Same here.
but it's getting better the more I
Spider-Man.
I hope so.
move. Oh, Cody,
Ay,
will you
nakakahit
please
pala din.
focus?
All right.
Spider-Man
Get
nga eh.
those fuses.
Ay, tumatakbo.
Oh, it's trapped. Let's get it out of there.
Tapos,
Tatalunan natin to.
ay wait.
Talon tapos parang magpipindutin ka.
One,
Ready?
2, 3, go! Galing. Ay!
Pinapahabol pa
Slippery
tayo.
fella, huh?
Galing mo.
Ganda.
Oh, get back here!
Ganun pala yun.
Sorry. Double jump. Yun.
I don't like the sound of that.
Me neither.
Control.
Cody, watch your head!
I am. Ouch. Back.
Cops nga yung takbo eh. 1, 2, 3. Jump side on the surface. Galing.
Ako nito. Galing.
Sorry.
Ay, nato. Uy,
Ay! Ano nangyari dun? Jump and slide to the surface? Ay,
Ano?
ganun. Eh,
ano yun?
jump, tapos shift. Tapos shift. Ayun! Sige. Ayun.
Maybe that container can help.
Tuntong ka dyan. Yan.
Ikaw? Ayun.
Ito na ako. Ito.
Whoa! I think this powers up the saw.
Huwag mong
Yeah. Let's check it out.
Ha?
kang mamatay dyan. At,
Ay, galing ko.
ay, wow.
Sinaksak ko yung diniinan ko.
Ay, galing.
Literally mo,
galing.
literally.
Dito.
Nandyan
Cody,
pa
let's
niya.
go! What are you waiting for?
Ay, kasama ako.
Oo.
Whoa!
Jump.
Help!
Whoa!
Talon.
Jump!
Tuloy mo na.
Wow. Hey, May, did you see my flip? Let's do it again.
Oh, we're not here to do
Ah, dito.
flips.
Malakas ka eh.
Ako yung pinadala eh.
We're hunting fuses with legs.
All right, this is the last one. Let's put it in.
Tapos, E.
Nice.
Dito.
Ano to?
Dito.
Teka, baka may to eh. Okay, wala na.
Let's go.
Mystery.
Oo.
Collaboration. You understand? Now, See you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck.
Ang kukuloko.
You hadn't broken it.
Yeah, well, this would never have happened if you
Mhm.
fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where all vacuum cleaners alive.
Well, now we are. Huh? Maybe we're stuck here forever.
Forever? No way. We're getting a divorce.
Yes, I know we're getting a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Okay. Let's climb that damn vacuum cleaner.
You know, I wonder where that annoying
No.
book even came from.
Huh?
He said rose
Likot
bush.
mo.
Ba't ganyan ka ako? Kahit ko lang napansin. Galing.
Ano ka ba tumakbo? Ang angas ba tumakbo? Mas maangas ako.
Nauna yung chan. Saan ba tayo? Tara, tara. Dito. Namatay. Ayan tuloy. Dito. Tapos, pasok kayo dito?
Yun, Kinitsin ko.
No, 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 no! Oh! I'm okay.
That wasn't too
Dito ba?
bad.
Dito ba?
Ano itong mga umiilaw-ilaw? Ito, ano to?
Ay.
I-align natin to.
Ah.
Odie, get inside.
Please be
Oh,
gentle.
iangat mo. Iangat mo, papasok ako.
Sige, go.
Oh, yan, pwede ka na dyan.
Galing, galing, galing.
Oh, pasok.
Ako pinapaunan nito eh. Para ma... Kaka.
Oo. Ladies first.
Oh. Ladies choice.
Ah. Talo.
Galing. Gosh. Galing. Tapos. Jump dash. Tapos. Oy! Ah!
Kaya ka na naman. Ah, sige, pasok to.
Sige, sige. Yung... Oh! Ah!
Ay,
You want to try aiming?
Ito eh. Oh, ano to?
All right. The current has reversed.
Tapos? Ah, dun tayo sa kabila. Diyan, diyan, diyan. Lakto yan. Ano naman?
ah, sige.
Ulit, ulit. Bante.
Ako na nga dyan. Oh,
Sige,
tayo
ulit.
mga isip ko eh.
Hanip ka rin. Ikaw nauna eh.
Bakit mo kabanding?
What is that?
Ikaw nga yung nauna eh. Pasok kayo dyan?
That was kind of fun, actually.
Not bad.
Welcome back. Welcome back, tol.
Sige, tol. Salamat, tol. Tapos?
In you go.
Aray ko.
Ba't ka kasi pumasok doon?
Parang totoo. Pasok, pasok.
Ah. Hanip to eh.
Tagal ko.
Sige lang.
Ikaw.
Ako na. Sige. Yun.
Totally worth selecting.
Inuuna mo kasi yung chan mo.
Ilan mo English dito eh.
Napawisan yung kamay ko dito eh.
Ang daming rice.
Kaya nga eh. Jump towards either ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Ayun na naman yung bila.
Ay, sorry. Push, baba. Haharangan pa ako nito eh.
Uy,
This looks dangerous.
Just time your jumps.
Ah! Wait lang. Ayun lang. Uy! Ako din.
push pa pa.
Okay. Yeah. Tara. Ako? Huh?
Ako. Ako daw. Paano ba ito?
Ano gagawin dito?
Dito?
Hehe. Hehehe.
Ah, tatawid ka doon sa kabila. Ah, hindi
Oo.
ka. Dala.
Tutulong mo.
Wait.
All right, start spinning.
Ay, sige.
Ah.
Go.
Okay. Okay.
Ba, mawawala
Wait
na.
lang ako. Wait lang.
Namatay ako. Yan.
Ah,
Alis na nga dyan.
Hindi na.
Ako na dyan. Alis.
All right, give it a whirl.
Okay. Sige, talan. Makatawa to ah. Nakakaluko.
Ako titignan ko.
Ano ba yun?
Ito, sa ako.
Ayun.
Tapusin mo lang to.
Teka lang. Hanip na kuop.
We made it over.
Yeah, let's keep
Galing,
moving.
galing.
We're
Galing.
getting closer to the top.
Once lang pala yun. Ayaw! Teka. Isa-isa lang. Sige, ikaw muna.
Di mo.
Ikaw muna. Sige, go. Ako muna. Galing ko. Competitive ako eh. Yun.
Mas magaling ako.
Galing. Ah. Sige, pasok ka dun. Ikaw muna.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Ikaw muna.
Ito lang. Ako na.
Sige! Kailangan pala nakaano. Kailangan pala talon lahat. Uy! Sige daw, ibalik mo.
Ah.
Talaji! Tika lang kasi! Ah, 1, 2, 3, go. Yun! 1, 2, 3, go. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Sige, ikaw. Kumukatawa to eh. Sige. Ikaw, count ah. Ikaw!
One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. Alam mo ah.
Hindi ka na yun
Hindi
ah.
mo ako maisakan.
Oy, ano to? Jellyfish. G-fish. Tapos. Galing. Uy.
Is this a fire hazard?
Tapos. Dito. Zoom.
Next.
Tapos dito. Tapos dito.
May,
Sige, Char.
jump inside the hose.
Oh, try not to drop me.
Jump inside the hose. Okay.
Ay, dun ba? Ah, sige.
Galing. Pasok dito.
Char.
Dito. Tapos dito. Uy. Sinipa.
Higa talaga. Ay, tino mo yung akin.
Sige daw. Ba't yung tiyan? Pipisilin ko yan. Gigigil ako.
Ang ganda ng kulay to.
Ha?
Ganda ng kulay na to.
Giko? Dito to. Dito par.
Chapar. Chamboy. Di ba tayo, boy? Champre.
Sige pre. Ayun! Tapos bakyo. Ito lang, namatay kasi ako eh.
Sige, talon.
Oh, that was a little too much.
Saan
Ah,
na?
tapos i-switch ko. Red yun, no?
No,
Yun lang.
malitin yun.
Ay, sorry! Sabaw, tinitignan lang kita. Yun.
Mabawi.
Ayun.
Ito.
Ayun. Tika, papasakay mo na.
Sige,
Dalakas. Tika. Isa lang yun. Ano talaga tayo?
Ayan.
Yun. Niloloko ako nito ah. Huh? Sakay ka dun. Sakay ka dun. Dijo! Yun. Tapos,
Uy, galing ko na.
bitan pa hindi na siya.
Wala, naunahan mo na ako.
That vacuum's out of reach. We need to get it down.
Hmm?
Ito. Sir.
Time to suck up some more rubbish then.
Yung mga red na yan para sa'yo.
Wala. Ay. Kailangan
Tier
i-shoot.
two.
Sige pa.
Mababa na. Okay na.
Ay,
Okay na. Talon.
galing. Yun pala yun.
Talk about dead weight.
Okay na. Nag-save na. Tulog na ako.
Oh, sige. Ay,
Ika, tapusin na dito.
gusto alam na natin. Bill.
Ayun lang.
Teka lang.
Ay, sorry.
Sige, go.
Wala na. Oh, yan ako. Okay.
Your friends vacuum do this.
Look at him blow.
I have more than dust for you.
Teka lang ah. Go.
Oh, I wasn't made for this. You left this on the floor.
Raining garbage!
Oh my! What's in there?
I don't see your fire blanket.
Oh,
Ay, gago. Patay yung tanga.
Ay,
Tanga.
nahikop ko agad. Sorry.
Sige lang. Ay, ba't yun?
Pagka magbabato na siya ng mga ng mga pantitira natin sa kanya, dito tayo pumesto. Para marami ako mahihi.
Ako.
Ready?
Go, go.
Nice. Okay, ilan?
Suck on this.
Ready?
Someone
Nice.
hungry. Drowning your mind.
Gagi.
I've broken your little friend. I am sick. What? Go back again.
Ready?
Gusto na lang to.
Mhm.
Nice! Yawa na nahulog pa. Nahulog ako sa likod.
Finish this. Get on the other one, Cody.
Saan ba to?
Goes the wrong way.
Matay.
Whoa, May! Do you think this is too much?
Kind of. He tried to kill us.
Sorry, vacuum!
Ano to? Pipindot-pindutin lang. Why? Pindot-pindot. Iniigop yung mata.
Galing.
Igop yung mata eh.
Oo. Galing mo dun, galing.
Come on, we have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows what's happened to us.
She must know something. She made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah.
Why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her.
Okay na?
Where are we?
Tulog ka na?
You should know.
Oh,
You use
tulog
this
na ako.
place.
Oh, sige.
Been in here for ages. Look, everything looks different. It's like some
Galing.
Twisted version of reality.
Uy!